My name is Ola Kemfa Porbeni, and the name of our company is Marola Cleaning Services, and we're based in New Jersey, and we service basically from top to bottom of New Jersey. In revenue, right now we're almost at $500,000 a year in recurring revenue, and we have a team. We have a team of about, our online staff, our in-person staff. It's about 35 people right now on the team, so we've been able to build a team, automate a bunch of stuff. We don't have to really be in the business, really, if we don't want to. AJ Simmons definitely has been a massive part of our growth because I started watching videos on YouTube when I first, wanted to start a cleaning company, and AJ's videos are popping up, so I watched all of his videos, then came out to the conference, met him here the first time. I loved it, and the connections, everything. Came to the second conference, the third one, then I started working with AJ a little bit, on the side. He always has been encouraging, supportive, and gave me the opportunity today as well to talk. So AJ's definitely been a big help. All the people we met in CBN been a big help. It's kind of like it's like a family. When we come into these events, we know, all right, we're gonna see certain people that we already seen before. So overall, I can't say anything but positive things about everything. That CBN and AJ. You will never be as young as you are right now. Like, you got the energy, you don't got as many responsibilities. So instead of waiting till later trying to figure out life, you got to figure it out now. You got to plant the seeds now so that when you're 30 and everybody else is trying to scramble, you're already set. So you just got to, people living backwards, in my opinion. They party when they're 20, then at 30 they try and pick it up, but you're supposed to work when you're 20, then at 30 you can chill. That's my advice. You just got to, don't be backwards. You got to do the things in the order that they're supposed to be done.